stop scrolling. The internet will tell you the VMAX 1700 died when the power cruiser era got civilized. They'll say it's a straight-line dinosaur, a relic, too thirsty, too angry for 2026. But here's the truth, BikeBlasters tribe, every market today is begging for character, begging for soul, begging for raw analog drama. And Yamaha knows it. That's why the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4 isn't a comeback, it's a rebellion you can ride. Asterisk, and I'll give you a tease right now. There's a secret weapon Yamaha is strongly expected to drop into this refresh, something riders have been screaming for, something that could rewrite the power cruiser rulebook again. We'll uncover it soon, but trust me, when it hits, it's going to be the emotional climax of this entire machine. Asterisk, the landscape of cruisers in 2026 is softer than ever. Big screens, quiet exhausts, commuter manners. Useful? Sure. Inspiring? Rarely. Most riders feel like they're buying appliances, not motorcycles. But there has always been a counterculture inside motorcycling that refuses to trade emotion for efficiency. That crowd has been waiting for a signal flare. The 2026 VMAX refresh might just be that flare bright, loud, unapologetic. Asterisk, the original VMAX launched in 1985 as the muscle bike outlaw. No fairings, no excuses. Just brute force and drag strip posture. When Yamaha unleashed the 1700 volts 4 in 2009, the world got a modern power cruiser that punched physics in the jaw. Today's riders still reference it like a legend whispered at gas stations. Yamaha didn't discontinue a bike, they paused a myth to sharpen it for a new era. Asterisk. Design evolution for 2026 is rumored to lean into surgical refinement without losing the heavyweight intimidation. Expect a new LED headlamp signature, a sharper, meaner stare. Think Predator optics, not polite commuter eyes. The rumors suggest integrated DRLs carved like dual lightsabers, stacked vertically like the bike's legacy V-boost intake lungs. Asterisk, the fuel tank silhouette is expected to keep that muscular shoulders forward stance, but with crisper lines, possibly a slightly stretched visual mass for even more road presence. The scoop's rumored to be slightly larger, more functional, channeling air like a forge feeding oxygen into a flame. Yamaha understands the VMAX isn't styled, it's sculpted like industrial art. Asterisk. The 2026 dash is a hot rumor zone. Most insiders expect Yamaha to finally ditch the dated cluster for a hybrid digital cockpit. Not a giant tablet, Yamaha's smarter than that, but a dark stealth OLED display with configurable layouts. Riders want information, not distraction. Expect the Speedo to glow like a fighter jet HUD at night, flanked by minimal readouts, letting you feel the road, not just read it. Asterisk, color rumors? Deep metallics, matte shadows. Possibly a heritage midnight graphite, or even a brutal bronze edition with faint gold flecks that shimmer like molten metal. The 2026 VMAX won't enter the road quietly. It'll make the tarmac feel like it signed a waiver. Asterisk, the engine is where legends either retire or rearm. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX refresh is strongly expected to keep the 1679cc 65-degree liquid-cooled V4, because abandoning that layout would be sacrilege. But rumors point to retuning, not rewriting. Expect a plausibly bumped power curve, maybe 5 to 8 more horses, bringing it close to 210 horsepower at the crank. But more important than peak power is how it delivers it. Asterisk, the 2026 tuning is expected to make the mid-range even fatter. The old VMAX pulled like a freight train. The 2026 version is rumored to pull like the universe owes it torque. Expect revised fueling, cleaner throttle mapping, and an even more authoritative shove between 3,000 and 7,000 revolutions per minute. That's where power cruiser hearts explode. Asterisk. Let's talk sound. Yamaha is almost certainly expected to refine emissions without neutering acoustics. There's strong speculation of a redesigned 4INTO2, INTO1 exhaust routing that amplifies bass frequencies. The VMAX rumble isn't heard, it's felt. It's the kind of note that travels through your boots, up your spine, and parks in your ribcage. Asterisk, the V-boost system is expected to return, possibly with smarter electronic control. Rumors suggest a smoother transition, kicking in like a second heartbeat, not a hiccup. When the butterflies open, it'll feel like the bike inhales the horizon. Asterisk, handling and ergonomics are where the myth gets practical. The VMAX was never just a drag bike. It was a road brawler that happened to win every arm wrestle. For 2026, expect plausibly revised suspension internals, slightly firmer, more controlled damping. The 52mm inverted forks and monoshock layout will likely stay, but rumors hint at improved mid-corner stability. Asterisk critics always say the VMAX can't handle. They're wrong. It doesn't tip into corners, it intimidates them into submission. For 2026, that corner conversation is rumored to get even more telepathic. Expect plausibly lighter wheel designs shaving unsprung mass, meaning sharper direction changes, less wrestling, more mind-melding. Asterisk ergonomics rumors are interesting. Expect slightly revised bar reach, still aggressive, but not chiropractor level. Extreme. Yamaha is expected to offer an optional comfort kit, seat padding upgrades, bar risers, and adjustable pegs. Because Yamaha finally understands 2026 riders want violence, but only when invited. Asterisk. The 2026 braking package will almost certainly stay massive dual 320mm discs up front, radial-mounted calipers. But rumors suggest improved ABS logic, possibly a lean-aware ABS variant borrowed from Yamaha's Sport DNA. Stopping a VMAX isn't slowing down, it's dropping an anchor on a thunderstorm. Asterisk. Technology in 2026 doesn't mean screens, it means confidence. Expect traction control, but tuned to allow wheel drama without loop drama. Yamaha rider modes are rumored to arrive, likely 3, Sport Street, Beast, and no Beast mode won't filter your feelings. It'll simply remove the nanny gloves and let the V4 speak in its native language. Asterisk connectivity is expected but subtle. Bluetooth pairing, call notifications, navigation pop-ups, but no intrusive clutter. Riders want rumors, not interruptions. Asterisk safety. Rumors? Expect plausibly revised tire compounds, modern sport touring hybrid rubber designed to handle 200 horsepower launches while warming quickly for road grip. The 2026 VMAX will hook the pavement like it studied its weaknesses and passed the exam. Asterisk now. The surprise? Remember the tease? Here it is. The biggest, most emotional rumor of 2026. Yamaha is strongly expected to finally give the VMAX a factory Quickshifter. Not because it needs one, but because riders demanded it. Imagine banging through first, second, third without rolling off, no pause, no breath, just uninterrupted fury. That's the secret weapon. That's the missing link between myth and modernity. Asterisk it's rumored to be bi-directional up and down. Clutchless downshifts on a 1700 V4 power cruiser? That's like discovering your hammer also works as a paintbrush. It adds control without diluting chaos. It makes acceleration feel like a continuous heartbeat, not a sequence of events. Asterisk. The competition in 2026 is impressive on paper. Ducati Diavel V4 fast, tech-rich, sharp, expensive. Harley-Davidson Sport Cruiser offerings, big torque, big. Heritage, heavier vibe. Triumph Rocket 3 locomotive torque, cruiser comfort, a different philosophy. But here's why the 2026 VMAX stands apart. It doesn't try to compete, it dares others to explain themselves first. Asterisk the Diavel is a sports car with handlebars. The VMAX is a bare-knuckle punch wearing riding boots. Harley is a torch. Triumph is a mountain. The VMAX is a thunderbolt, brief, blinding, unforgettable, and impossible to ignore. Asterisk practical benefits. Yamaha reliability is legendary. Shaft drive durability means lower maintenance drama. Parts ecosystem is global and accessible. Insurance friendlier than exotic muscle. Fuel range rumored to be marginally improved for 2026, possibly through a slightly larger internal tank volume or optimized consumption curve. Still thirsty, but smarter thirsty. Asterisk the verdict is simple. If Yamaha executes the 2026 refresh the way the rumor mill expects, the VMAX won't just return, it will lead. Styling refined but intimidating. Engine retuned but not tamed. Brakes. Massive, smarter logic. Dash modern but focused. Rider aids confident but respectful. And that surprise quickshifter? That completes the legend. Asterisk this bike defined a segment once. In 2026, it's expected to define the mood. The market doesn't need another polite monster. It needs the original myth updated, sharpened, relevant, roaring with purpose. Asterisk so here's the question. BikeBlasters family, do you think Yamaha will make the 2026 Quickshifter standard, or keep it optional for the purists who still want the full clutch ritual? Drop your call in the comments. Like this video if you ride for emotion, not explanation. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay ahead of every rumor and launch. Because here, we don't wait for the future, we spot it coming. Asterisk ride safe, keep the rubber side up. And until the next blast, keep the shiny side up. Ride safe, keep the rubber side up.